Ball's kicked off, and here we go. It's going to be a touchback. It's going to be a lot more cooler than the ACC channel. Like Sua said, it's because of the it being in Alaska. But yeah, ball snaps. Oh, quarterback's running it up the field. Is it a first? There, I think that's better. And a beautiful throw and a touchdown for Colorado. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. Has one downfield. Caught. It's going to be Hunter. Got a little bit of lag there. Tossed up the field. It's caught for the touchdown for Colorado. Ball snapped. Holy lag, bro. God damn. Anyways, he's going to toss it upfield. Has blocks. Taking it up the field. Wide open. A beautiful play. Touchdown, Birmingham. A little snowy, so I can't see. Ball snaps. Looking for an open receiver. Ball's up. It's picked off. Birmingham has the ball, and it's picked off. We're good, though. We're good, though. Has blocks. Running up the field. Touchdown, Birmingham. Ball is kicked off. Gonna be short. He can get a lot of yards on this if the blocks are right. Blocks are looking right. God damn. 1st and 15, start of the second quarter at the... Not too sure what yard line is it. The ball snaps. Wraith getting the ball, taking it upfield. Jukes a defender. Going up the field. Has blockers. 1st and more. What a spin move. Breaks a tackle. Takes it in for a touchdown. Ball snaps. Carp looking for a receiver. Has a wide open player in the middle of the field. Tosses up and it's picked off, but it's going to be incomplete. Very, very lucky for Birmingham. As you see over here in this right side, there was an open receiver. Didn't look for him though and tried tossing it up and almost cost a pick. That's what I'm saying, Suey. Wide open receiver on the right side, by the way. Is that a receiver? No, that's a receiver. A wide open receiver in the left corner. Carp is a cone. Wide open receiver right there. Carp is calling Nyan a random. And it's picked off by Colorado. We're gonna have 2nd and 15 now. Or sorry, 1st and 15. Yeah, so a Carp is actually a cone, but I'm not even gonna lie to you. Ball snaps. Wraith can easily run the ball, doesn't. Tosses short and it's picked off. Ball snaps. Almost sacked, but the blocker came in just at the right time and Carp is going to run the ball. Dives for the first and he is out. 2nd and 15 now. A little over the receiver's head. Perfectly fine though. Yeah, I don't think his throwing is not like good today. It's probably because of the snow. And a sack of 20 yards. It's going to be 3rd and 35. Ball is up. It's caught. Mello taking it for a gain of 56. Yep, we got a minute left now. As a blocker, not doing a great job though. Hurdle's a defender. And he's sacked for a loss. Ball snaps. I don't know why my clock isn't working. Here we go. Looking for an open receiver. Tossed up. It is caught for the touchdown. Ball snaps. 8 seconds remaining. And a loss of 11 and a timeout is called. Ball snaps. Harp looking for a receiver down the middle. It's picked off. And it's a fumble in the air. What the fuck just happened? see if we can figure this out. Ball snaps. Wraith looking, and a sack of 17 yards. 3rd and 21 now. We got about 3 minutes remaining in this quarter. Ball snaps, looking for a receiver. Everything's locked up, basically. Tossing upfield. It's picked off by Birmingham. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm lagging. I don't know if that's me or this player. He's taking it up the field and stops. It's me 1st and 15. Ball snaps. Carp looking. I don't know if it's me lagging or if it's the quarterback, because I guess it's a pick. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. He's sacked for a loss of 24. And it's a fake punt. Looking upfield, way overthrown. Ball snaps. Fix the clock here in 1 second. What in the fuck did I just see? The quarterback just got boomsticked out of bounds trying to throw the ball. And it hits the D lineman in the head. Toss, picked off, it's incomplete. And it's going to be a 42-yard attempt. It's up, and it is right in and good. 35 seconds remaining. Ball snaps. It's kind of open over here. Yep, beautiful throw. Caught by Colorado, up the field. Yo, what is my clock doing? And a boomstick for a loss of 10. Ball snaps. 3rd and 12 here. Looking for an open receiver. Almost got hit on that one. It's caught by Hunter. Beautiful play. Got 3:09 left in the game. Tossed up middle. Colorado with the touchdown. Ball snaps. Harp looking for an open receiver. Tosses up middle. Receiver jumped way too early on that one. And it looks like we're going to have a 41-yard attempt. It is up, and it is good. Wraith can run the ball. Not going to. He's going to play smart on this one. He tosses up. Caught by Hunter. Taking it up the field. A gain of 30. Wraith taking it upfield. And a touchdown for Colorado. Ball snaps. Tosses deep. 1v2. It's a caught for the touchdown. Oh, whoops. Not bad. 6 now. 2-point conversion. He can run this ball. He can run the ball. What are we doing? Oh my god, bro. I guess I can't fucking talk. Alright, well. Looking. Not able to get that one off. What the fuck was it? What is this play? What is this fucking play, bro? Holy hitbox, man. What is this play? Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. A fumble! And it's recovered. Ball snaps. 8 seconds remaining. Birmingham really needs to lock in right here. And that's game. Let's see. Tosses upfield. Caught for the interception, but that's not going to do nothing. And that is the game.
What a game! The crowd is still on their feet after that incredible finish. That's the kind of football you'll be talking about for years to come.
And that is the game here. Colorado wins this game 35-33 over the number 4 ranked team, Birmingham Bluebirds.